Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2013 Chevy Traverse and I will show you which fuse to check in case your ABS or traction control lights are on the instrument cluster. This video will apply to Chevy Traverses made from 2009 all the way up to 2017. Now, it's a very good idea always first to check the fuse, just because it's very easily accessible and very cheap to fix. And then if the fuse is good, you'll have to do a bit deeper diagnostics. You'll have to connect the OBD2 scanner, try to get the codes, and then go from there. But most likely then you are dealing with a failed ABS or wheel speed sensor, or a broken or corroded wires towards the sensor. Okay, so the ABS fuses will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood right here on the passenger side. Now, to remove this cover, you will have three black tabs, one here, and one here on the side. So you want to press them and lift up to unlock the cover. Okay, on the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. And this piece right here, this is the fuse puller, which you can use to remove and check any of the smaller fuses. Okay, and actually you will have two fuses to check. Both are responsible for power to the ABS motor. You'll have a 40 amp fuse located right here, and a 25 amp fuse located just under it. So I want to check those two guys, and like I said, if they are good, then you can do a bit deeper diagnostics, or possibly take a vehicle to a mechanical shop. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.